Does the thought of speaking in public freak you out? Are you struggling to overcome your fear of public speaking? Or maybe you want to up-level your communication and leadership skills. If you're looking for support and inspiration, have we got an event for you? I'm Sunny Fridge, Public Relations Manager for District 43 Toastmasters. Our guest today is Jeff Campbell. He is president of the Conway Toastmasters Club in Central Arkansas. Welcome.
Thanks. Glad to be here.
Now, before we talk about your event, not everyone knows about Toastmasters. What is Toastmasters? Tell us about the organization.
Toastmasters is an organization that helps you level up your speaking, communicating skills, and your leadership skills. It's for all levels, not just people, not just beginners, but also experts. We can always grow, we can always get better. So we encourage everyone to participate in Toastmasters.
Now tell us about Conway Toastmasters Club. Where do you meet? How often?
We meet once a week. We meet every Monday at 12 noon at the Tyler Building on Skyline in Conway, Arkansas. And it's just a group where we just try to get together and become better each week.
Now your club has an open house event coming up. Tell us the details and tell us why anyone watching should come.
We're having an open house. We just want to let everyone in Central Arkansas and in Conway be more aware of Toastmasters, what we do, how it's helped us become better communicators and better leaders in the Conway area.
What can we expect?
All of our members will be there. We're going to make it a lot of fun, Sonny. We're going to be there. We're going to have probably some food. There'll be visitors.
Oh, it's always good when it's food.
Absolutely. Mainly, we're just going to be there, network, answer any questions that they have about our club, what we do.
So for those of you who live in Central Arkansas, it's easy to get to the meeting, but you'll also make it easy for anyone, no matter where they live.
Everyone knows what Zoom is nowadays, especially since COVID. Zoom has really taken off. So we don't want to just be in person. For the people who can't make it in person, we've got a way for you to join our meetings, be involved, learn about Toastmasters, and be able to participate if you can't even make it in person.
Tell us again the date and time and how to get more information, whether they're meeting in person or if they want to attend online.
It's going to be on Monday, August 29th, this coming Monday. It's going to be at 12 noon. It's going to be at the Tyler Building off Skyline in Conway, Arkansas. And just feel free to reach out to me. You can call me on my mobile. That number is 501-206-7343.
Thank you, Jeff Campbell, for being our guest, and best wishes, Toastmaster Jeff, on your open house.
Thank you for having me. It's been a great experience. Thank you, Sonny.